How to join Roblox Type Show Discord server. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Discord on your device. On the left side, click on the plus button, which will open this kind of page. In here, click on Join a Server at the bottom. Then in the invite link section, type in TypeSoul and press on Join a Server. After that, you will be joined into the server directly with the name only. And as you can see, I am in the TypeSoul server. This is how to join Roblox TypeSoul Discord server. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.